Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle, and as you probably saw, I'm doing a glow recipe haul. I've been wanting to try their stuff for forever, and since I cannot buy from Sephora because I live in Norway and we don't have Sephora's here, and they stopped shipping to Norway for some reason. So I went straight to their source. On top it's just a package slip and a little bit of bubble wrap, but other than that, this is what it looks like. So yeah, let's jump right in. So the first thing, the big thing, is this Fruit Babies bestseller kit. It has the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It's a 30 ml bottle. Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask in a 15 ml tub. The Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner in a 20 ml bottle. The Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask in a 5 ml tub. And the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer in a 15 ml packaging. So yeah, this is really cute. I don't remember the price of this, but I would rather pick up mini sizes and test them out and see if my skin likes them or not before I purchase the full size. So yeah, that's the first one. Then I got a sample of the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum for free from the brand, so that's cute. Then we have the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops in a 5 ml bottle. I might be using this as a primer, I'm not sure. We shall see. I do think that's how most people use it. Then I picked up the small plump hyaluronic serum. Oh, I forgot. This is a 5 ml bottle, as well as this, which is... why aren't the same packaging? But oh well. Then I picked up a small, a 25 ml bottle of the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Isn't that the same as in this one? Yes, just in the 15 ml bottle. So I will actually be opening this one first, because if I don't like it, this will probably go to a friend or my mom or someone. Then I picked up the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. This is a 10 ml tub. Ooh, and that smells nice, and it's bright, and it's really... I will probably try that one out tonight, to be honest. Then I picked up the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream in a 10 ml tub again. Really pretty. I really like the colors. It's just so much fun. And then I picked up the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask again, in a 30 ml tub. In here it's a 15 ml one, so again I will be using the one in here first, and then this is a backup or a friend or something. The last two items are these two right here, because 3 of the or the 6 product that came by itself also came 3 of them came with one and 3 of them came with another one, so I picked up 2 different colors. These are just nice makeup bags in mesh. So yeah, these are really nice just to have in your bag or something. So I will probably keep at least one of them because they're really cute. And that is actually everything. Should I try some out? I'm actually, oh, this comes with a pump. This is the Plump serum. Oh, and it's actually a clear serum. I did not. It doesn't smell like much, which is nice. And it's really hydrating. Ooh. That is nice. A smaller pump for the niacinamide dewdrops. Let's go on the other hand. Oh, this is a bit of a thicker. And again, a clear one. It's really nice. It's not that dewy, actually. I might actually just be using it. Which is the one that they use as a primer? I don't remember. I wanna see what, if I can open this thing. And I apparently cannot. There we go. Let's have a look, shall we? What do we want to see? Okay, let's try the pink Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Also in a pump, really nice. Oh, and this is really smooth. Oh, this is gonna be nice for summer. I can already tell. Oh, and that smells nice. So yeah, I'm really intrigued by this company. But yeah, that's everything. I'm sure you will see some of these in the upcoming empties. So yeah, I might also do a blog post about these, and I'm sure I will post pictures on Instagram. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have tried anything from Glow Recipe that I didn't buy but you really like, please let me know. And what do you think about them? Are they good? Are they too pricey? I don't know. So yeah, maybe I should do should I do another video with these guys? Let me know what you want to see. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!